So we are going to be doing a nature scavenger hunt today. And look at this little fly. I think that counts as a fly. Because I'm looking for several things and I found a fly. So that counts, right? Yeah. Okay. So we also need to find milkweed. I think we also have to find, like, what was it? I don't know. Wait. An apple tree. And I don't know. Well, let's just, okay. We can think of more as we go on. Oh. Okay. Oh, wait, this is an apple tree, so. Yeah, we got an apple tree. No, it doesn't look like an apple tree, but trust me, it is, okay? It was making a couple apples a couple weeks ago, so it's an apple tree. Oh, we also have to look for a strawberry bush and some English ivy. And speaking of English ivy, I think this here is English ivy. The way to determine what English ivy is, like poison ivy. That's actually native, but poison ivy attaches a stem in 3. This is just attaching 1 leaf to a stem, okay? Like, here. You see, just 1 leaf connected to that stem. No other leaves. So that's English ivy. That's how you can determine English ivy. So yeah. I think that if we go over here, there should be like what was it? Milkweed. Yeah, here. I got milkweed over here. How I know this is milkweed, a couple days ago, I found some caterpillars here. I don't know where they went, but yeah. Got some caterpillars. But yeah. And we still gotta find that strawberry bush. The strawberry bush. Where would I be if I were it? Oh, here. A strawberry. Yeah, that's a real strawberry. A small strawberry bush. Yeah. So yeah, that's a strawberry bush. I want to have more things, so let's try to find more. Maybe like a couple ant colonies. Let's see if I can find ant colonies, and maybe that'll be it for today. I remember last video we had some ant colonies over here. So let's see if they're still here. Nope. No. Nope. Oh, what is that? I swear I saw something. Oh yeah, did you see it? It was on camera for like a second, but I don't know. Not really finding much. Oh, okay. Maybe over here. Yeah. Over here we got some stuff. Oh, if you haven't checked out that video, that's a good video, I think. I don't know. Help me. Let's look here. No, but look. It's like some kind of worm. Don't know if you saw, but yeah. Anything? There is a furball, whatever that is. No, not much. Okay. Well, don't want to keep this video too long, so I will end the video now. Make sure to check that video where I explored that. But bye.